If you're a serious Suno creator, I'm sure you've run into this. You generate a track, and you're excited to hear it. But then, you wait, and you wait, and you wait on the build-up. 10 seconds, 20, 30, and it expands to a full minute of atmospheric pads and slow swells before your song actually starts. By the time the vocal finally comes in, you've already lost patience, and so has anyone you would ever share it with. So Suno has this serious habit of loading the beginning with long, drawn-out intros. And for most people, it feels completely out of their control. Yes, you can regenerate, but often it just keeps happening. Today I'm going to show you a small, almost embarrassingly simple fix to avoid long intros for your Suno songs. But first, let's understand why this happens. Suno is trained on real, complete songs. And real songs, especially in genres like cinematic, electronic, or ambient, they very often open with an intro, a build up front, some atmosphere before the first verse. With that, the AI model learned that a proper song has a runway before it takes off. So when you generate a track, Suno's default instinct is to give you that runway. But sometimes you just want to skip that long intro and take off immediately. The problem is, Suno doesn't know that. So we have to tell it, directly. 5 simple words, just drop into your style prompt. Hook in first 5 seconds. That's it. With this, you're telling Suno to get to the main content, the hook, the vocal, the core of the song, almost immediately instead of building up to it. But there are 2 details that make this work far more reliably, and most people miss them. First, placement. Put this phrase at the very beginning of your style prompt. Suno gives more weight to whatever comes first, so leading with it tells the model this is a priority. Second, punctuation. End the phrase with a period, not a comma. This is a subtle but real thing. Suno tends to treat comma-separated items as loose suggestions, but a period mark reads more like a firm instruction. Alright, let's see it work. For the first demo, I'm using atmospheric indie electronic, a genre that loves to drift in slowly. First, let's generate without the trick, so you can hear what Suno does by default. Here's the style prompt and the lyrics. We are going without our phrase. Let's generate. Hear that? The song takes its sweet time. Pads, atmosphere, a slow drift, and the vocal doesn't show up for a good while. That's a classic Suno intro. Pretty, yes. But if you wanted the song to start, you're still waiting. Now let's run the exact same thing. Same lyrics, same style. But this time I'm adding our phrase at the very front of the style prompt, ending with a period. Let's see what happens.
City lights are calling out my name. Nothing here will ever feel the same. I'm chasing every...
That's the difference. The song gets to business almost immediately. The vocal comes in fast, the intro is trimmed right down, and we're into the actual song within a few seconds. Same style, same vibe, but now it starts when we want it to. Now, I know you're thinking, can't we just remove the keywords like cinematic, atmospherical, epic stuff from our prompt? Well, here's the thing. The long intro isn't only coming from those keywords. It's baked into Suno's structural instinct about what a song is. So even with a clean, minimal prompt, the model still wants to give you that runway, because that's the shape of the songs it learned from. And that's why we are fixing it by giving a structural instruction. The phrase, hook in first 5 seconds, works because it directly addresses the structure instead of the vibe. Now, let's test this again, but this time with a harder case of a cinematic epic. As you know, this is a genre that practically demands a slow, grand build-up. If our trick can hold up here, it can hold up anywhere. Let's try it first without including the trick. Let's generate. There it is, the classic cinematic problem. A long, grand orchestral build, strings swelling, percussion rolling in slowly, the whole trailer treatment. It's beautiful, but it takes ages for the vocals to come up. But if you only wanted a cinematic song and not a cinematic intro, this can be frustrating. Now let's try it with the trick. Same prompt with our phrase up front and a period. Let's generate.
We rise against the falling night, carrying the final light. Nothing left to lose tonight. We were born to win this fight.
Look at that. Even in cinematic, the genre most addicted to long intros, the build gets cut way down and we get into the song fast. And no, it's not always going to start in literally 5 seconds, but it gets rid of the bloated, minutes-long intro. Now here's something just as important, knowing when not to use this, because not every song wants an instant start. Sometimes the build-up itself is the point. A cinematic piece meant to be epic and grand might genuinely benefit from a 30-second swell. An ambient track is supposed to drift. A slow burn emotional ballad might need a moment to breathe before the vocal enters. So this is not a rule, but you can use it when you want to impact fast, when you're making something punchy, when the intro is just dead air. But if the build genuinely serves the emotion, let it build. So let's quickly recap how to use this reliably. 1. Front load it. First position carries the most weight. 2. Use a period. It reads as a firm instruction instead of a loose suggestion. And 3. Be intentional. Kill the intro when it's hurting the song. Keep it when it's helping. And that's really the whole point here, and most people don't even realize they have control over the intro. Try it on your next track. Drop the 5-word phrase at the beginning of your prompt, end it with a period, and take back control of where your song begins. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more Suno AI breakdowns. Keep crafting, and I will see you in the next one.